Smart lists aren't just limited to these three types. It can be a mixture of anything, including other smart lists and static lists that you upload. So let's do an example of that. If you right click on My Smart List, create a new smart list, and let's call it Complex, and add your name. So in this particular case, if we were doing the Dyson example, we might want to first start with the people in the list we uploaded versus the entire database. So we could say if it's a member of a list. So now we want everyone in the Marketo database that's a member of the Dyson list that we just uploaded. So already we've just segmented down to those 100 in that list. But then let's say we want them to match the demographic, preference, and the behavioral smart list. So in that case, you could say, okay, I want them to be member of a smart list, and we want 3 of these. So they need to be also part of the demographic filter we created, also match the preference smart list we created, and then also match the behavioral one. So as you can see, you can combine smart lists and lists to create more complicated lists. And on top of that, you could add other filters as well. There's no limit as to how complex your filters can be in terms of using other lists and using static fields and other filters.